Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Sprouting Seeds. This video I have tried to grow the microgreens using the seeds that are present at my home. All the seeds I have tried. So in the urban spaces, the easiest superfood to grow is microgreens. We all know that. It's packed with nutrients. It has, do you know, it has 40 times more nutrients than the ordinary one. वो कहते हैं ना छोटा पैकेट बड़ा धमाका कुछ उस तरह है. The seeds that I have taken is mustard, fenugreek, some ragi seeds were there, then kalaunchi, chana, dhania or coriander, then flax seeds, moong, moat, and the last one that's a chia. Namaste, welcome to Lakshmi Sprouting Seeds. If you want safe, easy, green, yet nutritious food, then microgreens is the best option we have handy. This is for those who keep giving excuses that we don't have space, soil, garden, or any other. You see, to grow this superfood, we all need is seeds, any growing medium, and minimal amount of water. That's it. Space is not a constraint. We do have many of the plastics at our home, so we can bring them into a reuse. I use this garden trays that I brought along with the pots. Was not using them, so made them into use now. Now, depending upon the seed variety, the germination time varies. It may be 3 days for some seeds. It may take 5 days also, and even the harvest time also varies with varieties. Sprouts and microgreens are not the same. As we human beings go through different growth stages like baby, toddler, kid, teenager, adult, so similarly even plant goes through a different life stages. After it starts germinating, the first stage is the sprout. Then microgreens are the one that has the two green leaves. Those are actually the cotyledon of the seed. That's the baby plant. After that, the leaves that they comes, that those are called as the true leaves. As of now, we take the seed part or the seed leaves as a microgreens. Now that has all the nutrients packed in it. That's why it's called as a superfood. And in terms of taste too, sprouts and microgreens are different. All the sprouts are same, whereas every microgreen has its own taste. Really, if you want the minty flavor of the radish, yet you don't have radish available, then you can grow the radish seeds. Earlier I thought that fenugreek were the most easy one to grow, but chia seeds are more faster. They grow more faster, they germinate faster than the fenugreek seeds, and even they taste good. Next important aspect that we need to focus is about the watering when we use such kind of medium, and also the seeds age, like how fresh or how old they are. So those were the old one, that's why it got fungus on it, and I did not got any success of it. And also next important aspect is about the light. It's a very important for even for microgreens. Early morning, at least 2 to 3 hours of sunlight is essential. So if possible, try to give it morning sunlight. And watering should only be done if the medium or the tissue, or if it is a coco peat, only when it dries, then only. Excess of water will cause the other issues of insects or the fungal. And also the seeds, they should not be so crowded. They should have space in between them so that air will flow. Even if they are crowded, we may face the fungal issues or the fungus issues. If we do in such container method, then every second day we must change the water. Now when you grow your own food, you know how much effort goes into it, and you will fall in love with the process. Addictions are not good for health, but such addiction definitely will improve our health. What do you say? Do comment. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.